Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is going to be the second review that I'm going to do in English. Let's have a look how it will go. Yeah, I did this puzzle during this week because my son was sick at home, and as I saw it in the store where I buy all my puzzles, I saw it and I wanted it immediately. I love the imagination, the image, and yeah, because as a little child I loved Masters of the Universe, the movie, and yeah, so I had to do it and watch the movie. Also, I wanted to show it to my son, and yeah, yeah, I tried my best. Yeah, first of all, I will tell you something about the brand. HEO, it's a German brand. It's located here in Rheinland-Pfalz. It's in the southwest of Germany, and the brand is how do you say it if you're going to do a company? It's done by three young boys which were playing with Star Wars cards, and in 1996, and they founded each other in their kids room, and so this brand developed over the time, and now it's a huge big firm which are doing franchise for, I don't know, Mattel and all the famous merchandising that is available. I looked on the page and just go and watch and read on the about you, about us. It was so lovely, and they wrote it so nicely. Yeah, because it's founded by three little boys, and in 1996. Yeah, and it's very, very lovely to read this. Yeah. Um, yeah, as I said, it's a German brand, but the name HEO means Hellfire Entertainment Online. And yeah, that's what I can say about the brand. Also, what I will tell you about the box is the box has quite a nice finish. It's nice. It's like a standard finish, and the size is the exact same size like the Ravensburger. As you can see, yeah, it's the exact same size. So, as you can see, I already did the puzzle because my son was sick at home, and yeah, so we did this one partly together. Yeah, so I will show you the sides. This is how it looks on the side. Yeah, and on the back you can see all the images they have for this special Révélation series. I like this one the most, so I did this one, and you can see that it's a license from Mattel and that it's made in Germany. But where it's made in Germany, it's not said on the box, but that the campus of the brand is in Herxheim. So it's located in Herxheim. Yeah. This is what I can tell you about the box and the brand. Just look it up on the page. It's so nicely. I will blend in the time-lapse scene now and give you my thoughts about the quality later. And yeah. So, as you can see, I'm finished with the puzzle, and yeah, it was quite a delight. Yeah, it was very fun to watch the movie and to do the puzzle. Yeah, journey back to my childhood. I showed the movie to my son. He didn't like it. It was too, yeah, too slow or not too much action in it. I don't know. He didn't like it, but for me it was quite nice. Yeah, what I can say about the quality, yeah, it's hard to say something about the quality because, first of all, about the shimmer, the puzzle itself is very, very shiny. It's got a very, very shiny finish, and this was hard because of the. I got my window in the back, and I was so blended. I don't know how you say. Yeah, how you say it. Yeah, because I got a lot of shimmer, and I had to put the puzzle pieces on my hand just to get the right angle and to see the yeah the color of the puzzle piece itself. Yeah, this was the first thing, the first that was very hard. Also, what I didn't like is the puzzle pieces are not sticking together. This was very, very hard for me because I don't like it. I really, really love when they're sticking together. I know that the pickup challenge, it won't make it for sure. I will try. Yeah, now it's fitting. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, okay, I will show you. Okay. I think you got to have quite a lot of luck that they are fitting together because if I would lift it, now it's sticking. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, I will show you at first. You can see how shimmery it is. So it's very, very glossy. Yeah, this was hard. Then towards the end, I had to puzzle by size because yeah, I couldn't see anything, and I had to solve by the sizes. And what I can say, the noses are like there are like two arts. The one which are like this one, not round, and the nose is left leaning towards left and right, and the round noses are a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. So it was very, very hard for me to solve this puzzle by the pieces, and because nearly, I would say, like 70% of the puzzle, it's just the two in, two out. So just by the count of the noses, it's was nearly quite rare to do it by the number of the noses. Also, what you can see now is that the foil underneath is sometimes showing. This is something that I don't like, and also what I even don't like, also don't like is these little, yeah, I don't know how to say it. It's like the where you're cutting off the other cardboard from the next puzzle, I guess. I don't like it because it makes the picture itself, it makes it a little bit, yeah, not that good looking. Let's say it like this. Yeah, so I would say until now, for this year, this was the hardest puzzle for me. Yeah, would I do it again? Yeah, if there would be a very, very special picture, I don't know, I'm always looking for like the how do you say it, like the advertisement of a movie, like the poster of a movie. I'm looking for Kill Bill, Pulp Fiction, The Godfather, and all these yeah, all these kinds of art I'm looking for. Still, I didn't saw anything. I'm surprised. But yeah, if they would do something like this, I would buy it again. Yeah, for sure, I would do it. But if I don't see anything that really, really pops my eye, and I won't do it again due to the quality. Yeah, it's got a nice look now, but it was hard for me to do it. Here in the middle section, it was okay. It was really, really okay. But yeah, as the on the side, on the parts where it's just unicolor and black, it was very, very hard for me. Yeah. The puzzle pieces have a thickness of 1.9 millimeter, or 1.8 now. And no noses were bent over, or that the foil was peeling off, or that it was coming like here, that it was separating from the cardboard or something like this. So everything was okay with the quality itself. Yeah. So I would give this puzzle, this brand, a number of 7 points. Good 7 points, because just by the quality I would only give like 6, because it was very, very hard. There was no puzzle dust, it didn't smell any bad, so this is a plus point. So 7 points. This is my yeah, my the thing that the points that I would give for this puzzle. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed my review, and yeah, that you got some inspiration maybe. And yeah, I wish you all a good day and a good and lots of fun on the puzzle that you're doing right now. Bye.